Hey, Maisie here. With Easter getting closer and closer, I wanted to share with you a cute idea for place cards or something to label your buffet this Easter Sunday. I am going to be using my Horse of Windsor bud vase, but you could use any short bud vase or maybe the Equestrian Topiary bud vase as well from the newest collection. Now I have a printable that has some illustrations perfect for springtime and Easter entertaining. And I went ahead and I got these printed at my local FedEx office. I love using them just because they have a quick turnaround, and then they also have a lot of paper options that I'm not able to use on my printer at home. So this is linked, and feel free to use these for place cards or labeling dishes on your table this spring season. So I wanted to show you two different ways that you can use these alongside my bud vases. So the first way is I got from my local craft store, I got some table number stands, and these are little wire stands where you can put in table numbers for weddings or events. And what I did is I took one of these and I used wire cutters to cut it down so that it would fit better inside of my bud vase. And then I could just put it in there, cut out my little place setting card, and then I can add a little flower. I'm using these incredible faux tulips that are kind of all the rage right now. I'll link these too. These are an Amazon find. Now, if you don't want to go out and buy something like this, another option would be to use paper straws. And the great thing about paper straws is you can really find them in any pattern or color so they can match your decor perfectly. And the way that I would suggest using this is with just a pair of scissors. You can cut these down to size, and then you would just take your card and you would just simply place a piece of tape over the back of the place setting card and insert and coordinate with your favorite floral. So please be sure to grab your printable place cards, and I would love to see how you entertain with these place cards and bud vases this spring entertaining season. Thanks so much.